This is almost on same topic. Uma Sinha ma'am. The challenges faced by students in COVID-19 outbreak. Ma'am, are you present?
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
I request you to.
Okay.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, sir. I am sharing the screen. Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, my screen is sharing.
Coming, it is coming.
Okay.
And now it is coming. Please make it full.
Okay, yes. Good afternoon, all. My name is Dr. Uma Sinha, Associate Professor, Varun Dhaka Institute of Technology, New Delhi. My topic today is challenges faced by the student in COVID-19 outbreak. Now see, as we know that impact of the COVID-19, what is the impact of this COVID-19 on the education sector? So it is already affected 32 million students in the India, and the main issue we are facing the low availability of the computer, laptop and internet connections. Already we have discussed in this, and high number of the increase in the e-learning platform and applications. Nowadays you are seeing the so many platform of the e-learnings, various app are launching. Okay, an educational institute running a great losses due to the non-collection of the tuition fees. So these are some impact of the COVID-19 on the education sector. Now see, this COVID-19 pandemic has a shock to the education and policy responses. So as we know that the school is closer because of this, direct education cost, learning stall, learning inequality increases, attachment to the schooling force, then health and safety impact also, student nutrition worsen, student mental health decline because of this online teaching. Then education, as we talking about the economic crisis, then education demand side dropout rate increases, especially for the disadvantaged children, child labor, child marriage, transactional size increase. All this is the some shock. We can say this is a various impact of this COVID-19 pandemic on the education sector. Now see, there are emerging approaches of the India. Government has launched various approaches for higher education during the COVID-19 like e-Pathshala, Shodh Ganga, Swayam Prabha, National Digital Library of the India, Swayam, then MOOC, Vidwan. These are some approaches given by the government during the COVID-19. Now see what in the online educations, when we are talking about the COVID-19 online education is coming on this. What is the aspect of this online educations? Educator, we can say that 4%, subject material 7%, 15% class experience, language less than 1%, and the main one is the app quality 66%. This is a various aspect of the online educations. Now see, as we know that during the COVID-19 online school education in the India has taken place. Now see, already the school and various college university are using this app like Zoom, Skype and Team. All these are the various apps used by during the COVID-19 in the online learning. Now see, what is the online learning challenge faced by the students and the faculties. So this, there are some challenges faced by the student and the faculties. Now we will discuss on this. Now see, what is the online learning challenge faced by the student. The main thing is the student finding difficulty to adapt the online learning environment because suddenly they are moving to the physical class environment to the online environment. Due to this sudden change, they are not able to adjust the computer-based learning method because previously it was a face-to-face interactions. Now all the students and faculty coming under the we say computer-based learning and on the e-learning. So now how to overcome this? So we can use the adaptive learning in using the artificial intelligence to adjust the content according to the individual needs. Then personalized courses, then we can also give a training so that we can also acquire the knowledge. Now see, the main issues we are facing during the online learning, already we have discussed that technical issues. So many students are not well equipped with the high internet connection. They have a internet problem issues. They are facing the technical issues. They are not aware of this technology and slow and high internet connections. Now how to overcome this? You just need to find a high speed internet connection at your home, or also you know that where you can get the technical support for your connection and other technical issues related to software and tool for the effective learning. Then the most important is And the third one is the computer knowledge, which is very much important. The lack of the computer education is a major concern in the today world. So because of this, students do not know how to use the basic computer. They don't have a knowledge how to use the PowerPoint. They are facing the technical issues. They don't know how to solve the problem in this scenario. They face difficulty with live classes, use of the appropriate icon, MS Office. Sometimes they do not know technology proficiency. So this is very much important. How to overcome this problem? Students should be provided access to the support devices that can help them to solve the technical problem like email, live chat. You should pay attention to your instructor during the process of the solving issues. Now see, what is the online learning challenges faced by the faculty, which is very much important. So this is very much important, how to engage the student, छात्रों को व्यस्त करना. As a student are moving towards the online learning, from traditional classroom, it becomes difficult for teacher to adjust to a new learning platform. Teaching online may not influence and engage students for the longer periods of that time. They can be easily distracted. So it's very much difficult to engage the student in the online classes. How to overcome this? You need to understand the online learning and has a lot of advantages. You can use the various tools, you can use the PowerPoint, you can use the videos, you can use the live classes, discussions. You can also conduct the test quizzes to make the learning more better and collaboration for the better learning outcome. Now see, the next problem is the time commitment. If the course content is taught in a person, then you might not really understand the time commitment. See, this very limited time period we have to complete the syllabus. Teachers are not getting time. They have a difficulty of proper planning of the time. Teachers are not able to deliver the effective content in that time. They cannot present the lesson in effective way even because of this online technology. How to overcome this? Use a friendly tone for communicating with your student to establish rapport. You can also set reminder for the assignment and project in your learning management system. Then also you can also deliver your online classes in the YouTube also to make more attractive afterward. Now see, teaching matters. We know that most of the teachers follow the typical classroom style. Teaching matters, they are using the blackboard, book and chalks. It becomes difficult for them to adapt the new teaching methods that are completely virtual and technology driven. So how to overcome this problem? Most important thing is to get the comfortable in the virtual classroom. Find out the different kinds of the tools. You can use the teaching methods to various teaching methods to improve their learning more attractive by using the debate, group activities, virtual tours, group activity, discussions, role play, etc. Now see, the same technical issue also faced by the faculties. Many teachers are struggling the technical issues that are causing the stress. So you should also contact the technical support for solving this problem that cause hindrance in the learning process. Now see, what is the education sector's impact and concern during the COVID-19? All the major entrance examinations are postponed. The lockdown has generated uncertainty over the exam cycle. Structure of schooling and learning also include teaching and assessment methodologies, and due to closure it will be affected. So higher education sector also disrupted, which again gave a pain and impact on the country economic futures. Now, what is the possible alternative or solution for the interrupted educations during the COVID-19? With the help of the power supply, digital skill of teachers and student internet connectivity, it is very much necessary to explore the digital learning, high and low technology solution, etc. Students, those are coming from the low income group or the presence of disabilities, etc., distance learning program can be included to provide support for digitalization for the teachers and the student. The necessity to explore the digital learning platform is very much important. EdTech reform at a national level, that is integration of the technology in the present education systems. Now, at last, we can say in the conclusion that the recent pandemic created an opportunity for the changes in the pedagogical approaches and introductions of the virtual education in the all level of the educations. And the virtual education is the most preferred mode of the educations during the outbreak of the COVID-19. We can use the traditional technology with the new technology, and they would enhance the better accessibility and the flexibility for the education system. The post-COVID-19 education seems to be educations, and in this we can use a virtual education, a parallel system of the education for the future purpose. Thank you for giving me the opportunity on this platform. Thank you all.